These are photos taken during a 17-mile hike along a section of the Delaware and Hudson Canal. Our group started in Hawley, Pennsylvania, at a former basin where coal was unloaded from Pennsylvania Coal Company's gravity railroad onto canal boats. The mules that pulled the boats were led along the towpath that paralleled the canal. Around 15 to 20 miles were covered per day. This job was done by both children and men. Lock 30 was located at the west end of Hawley. The houses are lock tenders' homes. The canal boats were tied to snubbing posts. These are the round stone pillars. The last two pictures, taken at dusk, are the bridge abutments from a suspension aqueduct bridge that spanned the Lackawaxen River. The bridge was designed by John Roebling, and you likely know this. He also designed the Brooklyn Bridge. There's another suspension Roebling bridge across the Delaware River that still exists. I hope to visit this bridge and take some photos on one of the next sections on our journey along the Delaware and Hudson Canal.